My name is Philpott Mitchell. I'm the caretaker for the Joy Harbor Division in Northwest Centre. I have two questions, one for the party leader and one for Dr. Russell. Party leader, I want to ask a question. How does the government make money from these investors that build all these hotels, but yet 99% of the workers are on contracts? And Dr. Russell, what will the PNP party, when they go into power, pay the teachers more?
Party leader.
The use of contract work has become a problem in Jamaica because contract work is really appropriate where it's a short-term relationship with somebody who is not under the direction and control in the way they work of the employer, but is an independent person like a plumber or somebody, an electrician, somebody who's being engaged under a contract. What has happened in Jamaica is that in certain industries and in certain companies, they use the contract system to have a succession of rolling short-term arrangements so as to avoid a lot of the benefits that workers ought to be entitled to under our labor laws. And I have said, and I'll repeat it here now, that we will be bringing legislation in Jamaica to eliminate the abusive use of contracts at the workplace. Now, on the issue of teachers' pay, I know you asked to hear from Dr. Russell. We have to look at everything, and we are very mindful of the need to ensure that our teachers are comfortable and want to stay in the school system. And so, if you've listened to Senator Crawford and Dr. Russell, you will see that we have a teacher retention strategy that involves a variety of different benefits that will be an incentive to teachers, including housing, including motor vehicle allowances, including student debt forgiveness, variety of things that we are targeting the teachers and the public servants generally as well, for some of them, to encourage them to stay.
I have never voted. I am talking on the issues of tourism. I've been in the tourism industry for over a decade, and I've seen the ins and outs, and I see the growth that the people in Jamaica feel. With over 300,000 employed Jamaicans, approximately 30% of the population, with a $4.38 billion that the tourism product has made, the tourism workers are not feeling the benefit. And with that being said, we'd love to know what the party has in mind to solve this issue and give a sense of dignity and pride to our hotel workers. So my question is to the leader of the party: what is the People's National Party's plan of action, or what will they be doing about the tourism workers, the cry of us?
Well, the issue of contract work is an aspect, I think it affects the tourism industry and the tourism workers as well. So that's a solution to that issue will benefit the workers in the tourism industry. Also, the encouragement of the establishment of a joint industrial council in the tourism industry, so that there is a mechanism where tourism worker interests are represented, employer interests are there as well, and the state plays a role in mediation and helping to find solutions so that we can have packages of basic benefits across the sector which all hotels are expected to adhere to. Because right now, my understanding is that there's a significant variation of the way in which workers are treated in the sector from hotel to hotel. There's not uniformity in that. So those are two important initiatives that we will look at. And we're also looking at the possibility, for example, of incentivizing tips and gratuities, which were recently exempted from tax, but we're looking also at the possibility of whether we can do something special for overtime work as well.